Hello dear learners, welcome to our Medico-Botanical Garden, Department of Botany, Shri Shivaji Science College, Amravati. We have already completed module first and started module second, that is the medicinal plants, its description and uses. Today we will learn about the morphology of plant Adathoda vesica, that is the Adusa. It belongs to family Acanthaceae. It is an evergreen shrub about 2 to 3 or 3.5 meter in height. It is very much branched and stem is soft. From this stem makes a charcoal for gunpowder. It is a dicotyledonous plant, so the root system is taproot system. Leaves are broad with leathery structure about 10 to 15 centimeter. The phyllotaxy or the arrangement of leaf is opposite decussate in manner. The shape of leaf is lanceolate, that is the tapering with both the end, that is the apex and base. It is a petiolate leaf, that is the stalk of leaf is present. Then the margin of leaf is entire or slightly crenate. The apex of leaf is acuminate. Then the reticulate venation is present. The color of leaf is at the upper side is a dark green in color and the lower side is a light green in color. The leaves become brownish after they dried and have a bitter taste. Flowering season of Adathoda vesica is October to February. Inflorescence of Adathoda is spike. In this type of inflorescence, flowers develop directly from the stem and not borne on the pedicel or stalk. Flowers are large, attractive, white in color, streaked with the purple on the lower leaf. Fruit is capsule type containing 4 seeds. So this is the morphology of plant Adathoda vesica. Thank you. So friend, we have already seen the morphology of Adathoda vesica. It is well-known plant drug in Ayurveda and Unani medicine. Plant has been used in indigenous system of medicine in India for more than 2000 years. It is commonly known as Malabar nut in English. In Marathi it is called as Adusa and in Sanskrit it is known as Vasaka. It is grow all over the India and lower Himalaya region. This plant grow in low moisture area. Now we will learn about the taxonomic classification and importance of this highly medicinal plant. This is the classification of Adathoda vesica. Adathoda vesica belongs to family Acanthaceae. The leaves, roots, flowers and stem bark, that is the whole plant used for the medicinal purpose. Adathoda vesica is very well known plant available everywhere. It is specially popular in rural areas. This shrub is known for the antiplasmodic, means helps in abdominal pumps and relaxes muscles, expectorant and blood purifying qualities. The plant has pungent smell and bitter taste. It is cold in action. It normalizes cough and pitta, improves the voice. It has antibacterial, antimicrobial, antiviral, anti-allergic. Leaves contain 2 major alkaloids called vasicin and vasicinone. Vasicin is a bronchodilator. Vasicin also exhibits strong respiratory stimulant activity and also contains other alkaloids, that is the vasicol, adatonin, vasicinol, vasicinolone. The leaves of Adathoda are also rich in vitamin C, carotene and essential oil. The study shows that the Mycobacterium tuberculosis was inhibited by the essential oil. Adathoda vesica is a drug of choice of respiratory disease in Ayurveda. It is main ingredient in every Ayurvedic medicine used for a cough and asthma. It is simple, easily available and safe shrub which gives relief from bacterial infection and throat problem. The plant Adathoda vesica is helpful in sore throat, throat pain and tonsils. It helps in asthma and reduces inflammation of airways and lungs. It reduces inflammation of sinus and also reduces blockage of sinus and removes pus and fluid from them. The decoction prepared from the Adathoda vesica leaves can also help in such case. Its decoction reduces inflammation, cough and wheezing and it eases in breathing. Adathoda vesica has antibacterial and antimicrobial properties. Therefore, it is helpful in variety of bacterial infection for respiratory system. It is commonly used in Ayurveda for fever, upper respiratory infection and cough. Many Ayurvedic formulation used as main ingredient for this purpose. Adathoda vesica has antiviral medicine property which makes it effective in viral diseases. In Ayurveda, it is used in the common cold when nasal discharge is yellow and thick. Adathoda vesica has anti-ulcer property. Its leaves can reduce ulceration. It has a good result in gastric or acidity. It reduces acid formation in the stomach. It has a ethanoveternity used, that is a paste of leaves applied to wounds for their antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. The paste of leaves is also helpful in relieving rheumatic symptoms and also other types of skin diseases. In Ayurvedic medicine, Adathoda vesica is used for the multitude of disorders including leprosy, blood disorder, heart troubles, fever, vomiting, loss of memory, leukoderma, jaundice, tumors, mouth troubles, sore eyes. A juice made from these leaves was used as a treatment for diarrhea and dysentery. A powder leaf were used to treat malaria. In rural area, dried leaves used for cigar or roll for dried leaves smoked as a cigar to treat wheezing. In Ayurveda, the preparation of made from Adathoda flowers known as gulkand. It is used to treat tuberculosis. Also, flower of this plant used to treat irritation of eyes and other minor diseases of eyes. It is a natural and safe herbal remedy. Adathoda vesica can be consumed in the form of juice, powder and capsule. So my dear friends, this plant Adathoda vesica have many medicinal property, and I am fully assured that by knowing all this about the plant, you will understand how much it is beneficial you and your family. Stay safe. Thank you.